got your first lesson looming after a long summer, and maybe you've not done everything that you had planned to do. So here's some things just to get you back on track and ready for your first lesson, so that you can hit the ground running. Okay, my first thing is to get your sound going. So low expectations. Lots of long notes. You might be watching this as a beginner or somebody who's been playing for quite a long time, but the principles are the same. You want to play some long notes so you can listen to your sound and just do a quick check around your body to see if you're remembering all these technical tips that you've spent time working on last session as well. So you might have this sonority exercise in your repertoire where you do playing your first note and really just making sure you've got that beautiful sound in your mind and that you are breathing well, keeping your shoulders relaxed, expanding your rib cage out the way to take the air in, using the internal support and air speed to get the air up and out. Do a check to see that your lip shape is really relaxed. It's one of the most common things that happens after a break on the flute is that we squeeze our lips in order to make the sound. And a lot of the time, the first lesson that I spend with my pupils and students is to just relax these lips down again and switch on the air supply from further down rather than squeezing the lips to get the air out. So really relax lip shape. And if you don't have that exercise, you can simply play a long note on each of the notes that you know. Try to play in the lower register and also middle register and high register. Just do a quick check. Time spent on this is well placed, and no teacher will give you a hard time for playing long notes, that's for sure. Okay, number 2, get your fingers moving. Get them moving. When you come back, you'll feel that the muscle dexterity will have gone a little bit. Remember that you always go backwards quicker than you go forwards, sadly. So take an easy scale, something you've been comfortable with working on for a long time, and just take a little section of it. Play it over and over. Working and just getting these fingers moving, good hand position. Speed it up, repeat, repeat, repeat for strength. If you haven't been playing the flute for very long, you haven't maybe done any scales yet, or you're limited in your scale knowledge, just take a pattern of 3 notes that you know, or 2 notes, and just work the finger and listen to the action. Get these finger strength, the muscles up as quickly as you can. Okay, so you could just do. Remember, these are little muscles, they strengthen quickly, but they also weaken quickly, so you'll find they'll be a wee bit tired. I always think our fingers feel a bit like sausages when they come back from their holidays, so get them moving and see if you can get them ready for action. Okay, third thing I think you should do is to find something really familiar that you just loved playing last year. Play it over and over, enjoy playing it, enjoy the sound. Remember all the tips that your teacher gave you. See if you are really putting them into place, and just play your favourite pieces. And if you can't think of anything, just take a really simple folk tune. Enjoy the sound of the flute. Remember, you do love playing the flute, and like anything, when you have a break from it, it's hard to get back to sometimes, and you may feel a little bit reluctant. It wasn't as good as it was last term. It'll come, it will come. It's like sports, it's like dancing, it's like yoga, it's like anything like that. You need to just get back into your practice and remember how you appreciated your flute. Okay, fourth thing, play lots and lots of things that you play. Don't worry too much about the details. Don't worry about what you should be doing. It should be better. Just play. Just spend a good 15-20 minutes if you're a beginner, or a lot longer if you've been playing for a longer time, if you've got the strength, just to play through some old music. Easy, difficult, too hard, too easy, all of that, just play. Okay, fifth thing. Take a little bit of a piece of music that you were set for over the summer that maybe you've not quite got around to, and just practice 4 bars or 2 bars, but practice them really well. And that means that you can go to your first lesson and say, okay, I haven't done an awful lot, but I have done this. And if you've done it carefully, then that's a great starting point. Lastly, and probably most importantly, if you're walking to the shops or you're walking to school or going to meet a friend, put your headphones on and listen to some fantastic flute music. Get yourself inspired, get yourself fired up again. Any of these things or all of these things will get you absolutely set for your first lesson. Good luck!